So welcome back, friends. It's Megan from A Seasonal Abode. I thought in this video it would be fun to give you some updates that have been going on around here that I haven't shared with you. So starting off, I mentioned in a previous video that we had a bright orange storage bin that I was planning on painting this summer. And I did do that last week. I actually painted a bit of myself as well. So what I actually ended up doing was I purchased Tremclad because I didn't want to go through trying to get all the rust off. I pressure washed the storage bin and then I followed it with some paint, some Tremclad paint. So I mixed 3 gallons of black Tremclad with 2 gallons of the green Tremclad. I wanted to have a little bit of a foresty green color that would blend in well with the woods, and I'm very happy with the way it turned out. So moving on to trees. For my birthday, my husband gifted me a Japanese maple, and I planted it on the one side of our house where we don't have a garden yet. I'm anticipating maybe making this into a Japanese maple garden in the future. The variety of this Japanese maple is called Elegans, and it is a beautiful chartreuse green. It's got a little bit of salmon on the ridges of the leaves, and I think it really adds a lovely pop of color to this corner of our house. So the next tree I added in is a river heritage birch, which is a clump birch, and we'll get eventually the white flaky bark. Right now it's not loving its life. It's been a bit of a hot spell here and I'm trying to water it as best as possible, but as long as its roots get established, I know that following year it will come back nice and strong. The last tree, which I may have mentioned in a previous video, is the Ruby Falls Redbud tree. It does not get as large as the standard Redbud tree. It has beautiful burgundy foliage with heart-shaped leaves. I have planted it in the middle of the lawn here, not in a garden area. Maybe someday, also anticipating adding in some more plantings around that area, but for now it is just staying in the lawn. So giving you a bit of an update on the newest garden that, if you will remember, I put in early this spring. The perennials and the annuals have grown, put on quite a bit of growth, and this is what they look like mid-July here in Zone 6. I'm very pleased with this being the first year of the garden, how well it is doing. So the serendipity allium are just starting to open. I love the unique interest they add to this garden here. And a little peek here at the little lime punch hydrangeas, which are just starting to produce some limey green flowers, which will in turn turn to that beautiful deep red color in the fall. So as you will recall, this new garden area is actually the entrance to our new kitchen garden area. Giving you a bit of an overview of what it looks like right now. If you are interested in me making a video where I go bed by bed, explaining what I have planted in there, let me know in the comments below. Otherwise, I'm just going to give you a bit of an overview of what the kitchen garden looks like in July here. So right now in the garden, we are transitioning from the cool hardy flowers into the summer flowers. I'm also planting some vegetables that will be replacing the radishes and the beets and the garlic. So thinking more towards fall now already, planting some squash and my third succession of green beans. I plan on pressure canning those this summer. So this area is to the left of my kitchen garden. I kind of always lump it together with my kitchen garden. It was my previous garden before we built the new one. It has things like ever-blooming raspberries. My kids actually have a garden here. And so I'm also growing cut flowers and produce in this area as well. So I thought it would be a fun way to end this video to take you into my sunrise garden, and I'm going to stop talking and I'm just going to let you hear the birds and see the butterflies and really get in the moment of the beautiful July garden. Our God is an amazing creator, and I hope you enjoy this video. And if you'll consider subscribing, I would appreciate that, and I'll see you in the next one.